We're back here with more hair tips. Quick tip, pretty obvious. By the time you're done watching this, you're probably going to feel like, why did I watch this? I could have figured this out on my own. Well, you probably didn't, so that's why you click. I'm assuming. So what you're going to need is a mirror, a big mirror. This is to reflect, so you can see reflection. A trimmer, or hair clippers. I preferably am going to use a trimmer, a beard trimmer in this case, because it's a lot easier to handle. And, well, not and, but possibly, you could probably possibly get away with doing this with a pair of scissors. It's a little more difficult, unless your hair is really longer than mine, but mine's still not crazy long, due for a haircut. But I'm just going to try to show you how you can extend the life of your haircut. So, around your ears, as you can see right here, my hair is starting to grow on the ear. What you can do, this is what I use with scissors, is just, of course you can use a trimmer too, is just snap around the ear, make sure you don't get your ear. Luckily I've been doing this for quite some time that I know that you can, where my ear usually stands, and give yourself a clean up look. Side 1, side 2. And the other thing you can do, also basically one tip, is you can see the back of my head is all messy right here. There's no straight line, it's more of like the corners are growing. So this is where you're going to get your trimmer. You can get someone else to help you with, or if you're experienced enough, you can do this on your own with a mirror and another mirror. And you're going to get your trimmer, and you're going to follow the outline of your natural hairlines. I'm going to box mine out, kind of ish, more of a straight line and a rounded line, because I'm not experienced with trying to do a rounded line. You don't have to get it all on the first try. You can just do a general cleanup on each side, and then you can go back and finish your work. Or you can just leave it like this, where you don't have a perfectly straight line, but it still has a natural look, as long as you clean the general corner shape off. And there you have it, around your ears. Get that all. And after you go back and fix up a little bit of your work like I did, might not be a perfect straight line, but it looks a hell of a lot better than it did before. So with that, hopefully that was helpful. I know mine's probably not the greatest job in the world, but hey, like I said, it looks better than before. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll hopefully see you guys back soon for the next one.